want to share with you a recipe of a cheese pie. We don't have a lot of information in the recipe about the pie dough, but it is tell that if you want, you can add some crazy oil in white bread without laden or melted butter. So the pie dough is white bread. That we can do it. So it's easy to make some white bread. I need, of course, some flour and water. But it's very hot today and I need to add some ice in the water for the perfect temperature for the pie dough. This is better.
Okay, we clearly see the feeling is totally different than 5 seconds ago.
Yeah. Yeah, this one is better.
Yeah, no longer any stickiness.
Yeah.
Just elastic enough, but not too much.
Now it's time to wait a little bit for the pie dough.
Okay, so we need to wait. Okay, Virginie, so what about the stuffing right now?
We have two stuffing different. When
Two different stuffing?
yeah, in the recipe there are the normal stuffing and the other one is the green stuffing.
Okay, so you have the choice between a green one and a normal
Yes.
one.
The recipe tells that if you want to make it green, put Pastry and hyssop and a little thyme with cheese.
Okay.
But it's not easy to make without cream, and because in the recipe they speak about cream, I use also cream.
Okay, maybe it's time actually to just like read us the recipe.
In Dutch or English?
Let's try Dutch.
Kees Zwetsen. Neem in de platengeest, zo, dit is platengeest, en dat sleten we in een zeer met zijnen en de suiker. Suiker is sugar. Met voldoet die topen met haar vol. Wil zijn, groen, maken, stoot, percelen en de hyssop, tijmen en luchten onder die geest slaat samen zuur dan in groen.
Okay, this is for making the stuff green.
Yeah!
Yeah, I got it.
Wil dit doet, maakt grasmoed in de witte brood zonder vladen of gesmolten boter.
Okay, I get butter, but nothing else.
So, take a fresh cheese and then take the cream and put with the sugar, a lot of sugar. The plate will be full of sugar. So a lot of sugar. After they speak about the green stuffing, and last thing they speak about the wheat bread of the white bread.
Okay.
It's a very short
But with two styles actually that we are going to explore one after the other.
Yes. So it's time for the stuffing.
Let's go.
So, for the stuffing, first one is the white stuffing. I need, of course, fresh cheese, homemade, a lot of sugar,
Oh my god, a lot.
and some cream. So, the first thing is the cheese. I put some cream.
Yeah, the recipe insists a lot about the cream, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so you take the right cheese and then the cream.
A lot of sugar, 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 sugar.
Really?
We're going to be diabetic?
Well, maybe not today. Yeah, you were explaining that this stuffing is without any eggs or anything to make like the stuff gather together. Yeah. And you were expecting the cream to be working as a gatherer?
No, it's the fresh cheese.
Okay, so that's why you have chosen the fresh cheese exactly like in recipe and not like
cottage cheese or
that we see so often in like I mean a reenactment of that recipe.
Yes, it's really a fresh homemade cheese with, I don't know in English, lait caillé.
Milk, caillé milk, I don't know.
And I put a lot of cream in the lait caillé to make the cheese.
Okay.
So it's not really a normal cheese, it's a cheese with a lot of cream.
Oh, okay. And that explains why actually the stuffing is behaving the way it should be behaving, despite the fact that there is no egg or anything.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, okay.
So it's ready, everything.
Mm-hmm.
I will try it. Oh my god, a lot of sugar. I think it's like a dessert.
Yeah, let's see what it does.
Yeah, of course.
So what about our pie dough? Do you think it's like it has waited enough already?
No, we need to make the second one, the green one.
Oh, okay, let's go for the green one then.
We need a lot of basil, hyssop and a little bit of thyme. Where is my thyme? There. And of course, one cheese.
So fresh homemade cheese.
Yes. All the time the same.
Exactly like the other recipe.
Yes. And don't forget the cream.
Okay, so plenty of cream like in the recipe.
Yes, but more sugar!
Oh my god. Don't do that if you are diabetic.
No, of course. So I decided to make small pea, only because I prefer small one.
Okay.
Now it's time to make the pea dough. White.
I know the white recipe. Okay.
Yes, done.
Maman, tu veux un café?
Allez, c'est parti.
Bon appétit.
So, how does it taste?
Sugar. A lot of sugar, but it's good.
A little bit sugary indeed, but that's very nice.
Yeah.
And what about trying the green one?
Yes.
So, was the green only a cosmetic one?
No.
Oh, is it tasty?
It's tasty. The first is Percy.
Okay, persil is dominant.
Yeah.
But
after I had the islop and after cheese.
Okay, I definitively need to try.
Yeah, it's not the same.
A different recipe.
I hope that you like this recipe. And now it's your time to try it and choose by yourself if you prefer the green one or the white one. And enjoy your meal. Goodbye!